Now here we have mercury 2 oxide. Okay? So we're going to heat mercury 2 oxide.
Do we need tissue?
It was red powder and it turns black. It was a red powder, it turns black. Put some tissue. To keep the oxygen in. So what we are doing is we are heating mercury 2 oxide. What's the formula for mercury 2 oxide?
HgO.
No. HgO. Alright, can you see that the mercury has turned into vapor, mercury vapor and oxygen gas. Can you see that the vapor, when it's hot, it will remain as a vapor. And that's one that is dangerous. That's why we have got the tissue paper to fan it. But before it can reach the top, mercury vapor are quite heavy. Okay? It will condense here. Can you see it condensing?
So nothing to worry about.
So nothing to worry about. But you see that the red powder has now turned black and it is slowly disappearing. Right?
Is that the mercury?
It is decomposing. Can you see it's decomposing? And there is no more.
So turn off the flame.
But let's test for oxygen. What's the test for oxygen?
Glowing splint.
This is a lighted splint, right? So you blow it out. It's a glowing splint, right? This is a glowing splint. Okay, let's try that. We are going to insert the glowing splint inside. Let's insert it inside and see what happens. Let's switch it off first. Okay, glowing splint. Oh, burst into flame. See, even there's still a little bit of oxygen left. Okay. Now let's dig out the mercury.
Let's put it on the table.
Let's dig out the mercury, okay? Can you see the droplet of mercury down there? Yes?
Yeah.
Can you see the droplet of mercury?
You can put it here later.
Okay. We put it on the table. But it's not very shiny because it's dirty.
It's what?
It's dirty. So let's clean it, right? So look at this. The mercury droplet is pretty dirty, right? Alright. So what we are going to do is we are going to take some water. We'll take some water. Quickly. Okay, we take some water and we clean the mercury. And when we clean the mercury becomes shiny. Is it shiny?
Yeah.
Yeah? The mercury becomes shiny. Ah! Now, where do we use mercury in physics?
Thermometers.
Why do we use mercury in thermometer, especially clinical thermometer?
Because
It's poisonous, right?
let me think. I know it because mercury has a very low boiling freezing
High boiling point.
and low freezing point.
Wow, you see, lovely, you know. So you can get mercury from a red powder. There you are. Lovely mercury. Yes! And mercury can be put into small drops. Okay, then you put them together. Put them together, put them together. And mercury doesn't wet the paper. It doesn't wet the paper. Why does mercury not wet a piece of tissue? That's a difficult question.
Yeah.
That's a difficult question for your teacher to answer.
Losing bits everywhere.
We can still keep this mercury. Yeah.